Hello Year 7 bottle rocket makers. Today we're actually going to make the wings. Last session you would have designed your wing shape. This session we're actually going to make it, and we're going to make it out of this foam board. This is called fluted board. We get it from Bunnings, and we need to manage this correctly because it's not a cheap item. Step number 1, cut your shape out of your piece of paper. And we're going to use this as a template. So just take a moment, nice and carefully cut around. I'm doing some round wings today. So here's my round wing, all cut out, like so. I'm going to take my round wing and I'm going to draw or copy it onto my fluted board. Now, when I go to copy it, I'm not going to cut out or put my wing right on the middle of the board. What that does is it causes a great deal of wastage on the board and may stop other people from having enough material to cut their wing. What I'm going to encourage you to do is cut from the edge like so that we can maximize our fluted board. Looking at my template, I have a beautiful straight edge. That beautiful straight edge can match the straight edge or the top of my fluted board. That does two things. One, it maximizes the use of the board, and two, it stops you from having to do an extra cut and keeps your piece nice and safe. So, popping it in the corner, running it along the flat edge, taking my pencil and just ever so lightly drawing around my template, like so. If I like, I can just darken it in a little bit by using my masking tape, which I used for the circle, and then my pencil. Once I have it marked out on the fluted board, I then come back to my green cutting board. There's my green cutting board, and I also come back to using my Stanley knife trimmer. Remember, all cutting is done on a cutting board. So from here, being really careful, taking my ruler, putting it on the straight line, cutting through, and it will take you a few cuts, like so, and another cut like so. Be really careful here with your cutting. The freehand will be a bit tougher, particularly with the curve, but if you take your time, you can cut it freehand. It will cut. May take you a couple of cuts, as I mentioned, to get it out, but be nice and patient. See how we go. Couple more. And there we go. There's my round wing. Obviously, if I want 3 wings, I do another 2. If I want 4 wings, I have to do another 3. And that'll be ready for shaping to go onto my bottle rocket. Thank you.